So hello guys, in this video we are going to show you how to make a drop down in your Wix website. So first of all, you have to come on this editor.wix.com of your website, and then you will go to this option called pages and menu. And after clicking on it, you can see the pages of my Wix website. So I just have to do the drag and drop of my pages so that I can make the drop down menu in my page. So as you can see, the about page and team page are the sub pages of the home page. And when you publish your website, then you can see the drop down menu on your home page. And also you can see the about page and team page are not visible right now here because they have come under the home page. So if you like this video and get any helpful information, then please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.